We are Team 3494, the Quadrangles. We're looking forward to facing the boss in our next match together, so we put together this short video to assist in the process. Start by lining up at either end of the platform at 30 seconds. It is essential to be there on time, as boarding is best done slowly and sometimes takes multiple tries. Even if you are doing something else, the 30 points that you will get for a climb offsets anything you may have been doing, even if we lose possession of a field element. Our drive team will do their best to notify you when the time comes. It is very important for both teams to be there on time, as our alliance will not receive the ranking point unless we lift both robots. Once lined up, drive slowly up the ramp. The angle is shallow enough that you should be completely fine driving slowly, and teams who make one slow attempt are often more successful than teams who make several quick attempts. Keep tight to the scale wall. It acts as a guide to ensure that you do not drive off the front edge. Even driving in a way that you are slightly pushing into the wall by turning towards it will help. Once you have reached the top, keep driving until we are able to lift you. The supports on our robot are strong enough to prevent you from driving off the edge, and continuing to drive ensures that you do not slide back down. We will lift you to the top as soon as we can. Both sides of the ramps operate independently, so even if you have a fully boarded and the other alliance partner is not, we will still lift you. Don't be afraid of the obstacles you may face in boarding our ramps. Even if you are tall, you can still make it on with careful driving. There is enough room for you to be slightly crooked as well, so even if you're not lined up exactly right, give it a shot. Please watch this short video to see a team fully board in the correct way. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy your flight on Blackbird's wings.